Good day mga ka-fire lover dyan. This is Amoy Putok. Gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo ang aking second stash as of September 9, 2025. Biglaan lang tong stash na to kasi isa tayo sa naimbitahan na pumunta sa grand opening ng Rosalie Navarro Fireworks. Congrats Ate Rosalie sa inyong successful na grand opening. Kahit maulan, tuloy-tuloy pa rin. Ang daming foods, masarap. Maraming salamat. Okay guys, eto buksan natin. Ito po sila. 100 shots Happy Tonight by Tiger Fireworks. Small caliber. Neat Hot Red Light by Diamond Fireworks. Large caliber, 64 shots. Bali, ito lang yung hindi natin nabili kay Ate Rosalie kasi sa tropa to galing. Na-score natin siya last week. And Fantasy by Diamond Fireworks din, large caliber, 64 shots. Bagong GLK, bagong dating din. Nagbabalik by GLK Fireworks, Roman Fireworks, 49 shots, medium caliber. Ito din, bago rin to, isa sa mga bago, Golden by Golden Rooster Fireworks, very shocking, large caliber, 16 shots. And medium caliber by Golden Rooster din, 16 shots, Beautiful Night. Crossfire, Saturn Missile, 500 shots by LF Fireworks. And 16 shots, Orange by LF. Bali, napanalunan ko to sa raffle dun sa grand opening ni Ate Rosalie. Salamat Ate Rosalie. And Lucky Mayon Volcano by Phoenix Fireworks. Bali, napanalunan din natin to kay Ate Rosalie. Okay, ito lang po ang nadagdag kay Amoy Putok as of September 9, 2025. Upload na lang ulit tayo pag meron na ulit tayong nadagdag na stash. Yun lang po, and see you on my next video.